राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाषणात गोयच्या वास्तववादी परिस्थितीची माहिती दिली ना. राज्यपालान आपल्या भाषणात बरेचशो बाबी लिपयल्यात अशे विधान कुंकळेचे आमदार युरी हांणी सभाघरांत राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाषणेचेर चर्चा करपाच्या सत्रांत उलयतना म्हणला. स्वयंपूर्ण गोय फकत संकल्पनेपुरतीच उरल्या जाल्यार सरकार तुमच्या दारी ही संकल्पना विधानसभा वेंचणुका पयलीं वापरिल्ली एक चाल असोय आरोप युरीन केला. ह्या सरकारान स्त्रोताचे कसो उपेग करचो ताचे आराखडो ना, तशेंच सरकार खंय चुकता ताचो नियाळ राज्यपालान घेतिल्लो ना अशें युरीन म्हणला.
Speaker sir, I rise to support the amendments to the motion of thanks of the governor's address. Speaker sir, at the start or as a new member of this August Assembly, I was given to understand that the governor's address is a report on the working and functioning of the government. It also provides direction for the future. With all humility, Speaker sir, I must say that the governor's address has failed on both accounts. It has failed to highlight the performance, or I must say the non-performance of the government. I was expecting a roadmap for the future, considering the challenges of resources and expectations of the people on environment, ecology and development. So, Speaker sir, at the start I would say that the governor's address does not reveal reality. In fact, it hides facts. Speaker sir, many of my colleagues have spoken on the 3 linear projects. There is no assurance on coal, double tracking and MPA. आज स्पीकर सर जे गोंयांत हो कोळसो जो येता, गोंयांक जे हे पोल्युशन जाता, जे कोलाचे पोल्युशन जे जाता, जे म्हाका दिसता 1 मायक्रॉन हे पोल्युशन 6 किलोमीटर पासून जाता. I have gone through, Speaker sir, the entire governor's address, and there are vernacular phrases, jargons used in the speech, Speaker sir. Swayampurna Goa, Sushampana Gaon, Nasha Mukt Goa, Safe Goa. Speaker sir, Sarkar tumchi adari. I would like to ask you, Speaker sir, or ask the government through you, Speaker sir, in which sector are we self-sufficient? Are we self-sufficient in regards to coconuts, to rice, to oil? In which sections, Speaker sir, are we self-sufficient? To locals, migrants, other backward classes? सुशंपणा गांव म्हणला, एक गांव दाखोवचो जो सुशंपणा जाला, which is self-sufficient. Speaker sir, the program of the government of Sarkar Tumcha Dari, it looked like a pre-election gimmick at the cost of the public exchequer. Coming to Nasha Mukt Goa, Speaker sir, what we see today is the reverse. The drug menace in the state of Goa is at its highest, and the government or the governor's address has failed, Speaker sir.